Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, today we are going to learn about what is system testing. So let's start it. In software companies, after getting the requirement from the client, development will start. Once developers will completed development of all the models, then it will be giving to the testing team for testing. So test engineers will not go for system testing directly. First, they will start unit testing. In unit testing, what they will do is they will do the each and every small models. They will start unit testing. Once unit testing is completed, then they will go for integration testing, where they will be combining two models or they will be combining more than two models. They will do the integration testing. Unit testing and integration testing I have already explained in my previous videos. If you have not watched it, then please do watch it. Once unit testing and integration testing will be completed by a test engineer, then we'll go for the system testing. In system testing, what we do is we do end-to-end testing on the completed software product. Before giving to the application or the product to the end user, first within company, the test engineers will do end-to-end testing of that product, whether that is meeting the customer requirement or not, whether that is meeting user requirement or not. Okay, once testing will be completed on the software product, once system testing will be completed on the software product, then we will be launching that product to the market. So that is about system testing, where we are doing end-to-end testing of the application before releasing that to the market. So this is the definition of system testing. Okay, here system testing is a level of testing that validates the complete and fully integrated software product. Okay, so we are testing the completed product. The purpose of a system test is to evaluate the end-to-end system specifications. System testing done by a professional testing agent on the completed software product before it is introduced to the market. Let's understand this with an example. So here you can see in this slide, first unit testing will do, then integration testing will be done. After integration testing, we will go for system testing. After system testing, we are going for the acceptance testing. This one I will explain in my later videos. Let's see this diagram. Here I have module A, module B, module C, module D. Like this I have module J. So in unit testing, we will do each and every module testing. We will do independently module 1, module B, module C, module D and module Z. Like that we will test it. And then in integration testing, what we do is we will be combining more than two models, or we will be combining two models. Let's integrate A and B and test both these models. Let's integrate A, B, C, D and test it. Okay, so like this we will be testing on integration testing. When it comes to system testing, my customer requirement is I need these many models, like I need model 1 to model Z. So developers will develop all these models and they will make it as an application. Okay, so once the entire application will be completed, then we will be doing end-to-end testing on this application from model A to model Z. Okay, so that is your system testing. We will be not testing independent model, or we are not testing more than two models or three models. We are testing entire modules, which is a application. So that is your system testing. Let's consider there is Amazon application. Okay, here I have these many models. Okay, sign up, login, search for the product, add the product to the cart, checkout, payment, place the order and log out. So these many models are there. This is an e-commerce application which everyone knows. Okay, so When it comes to unit testing, one person will do sign up module testing, one person will do login, one person will do search for the product. So like this, each module will be tested by a test engineer in unit testing. When it comes to integration testing, we will be combining two modules or more than two modules and we will be testing it. When it comes to system testing, after development of the entire Amazon application and after completion of unit testing and integration testing, we'll go for system testing, where we'll be testing the entire Amazon application as an end user, like how end user will be testing this application once it is releasing to the market. In the similar way, the test engineer in their company, they will be doing end-to-end testing of this Amazon application. So first they will do the sign up, they will do registration. After registration completed, they will be getting the username and password. With that username and password, they will be logged into the application. Okay, and once they will be logged into the application, then they will be landing to the home page, and then they will be searching for some product. Let's say they are searching for some mobile. Okay, after searching for the product, then they will be adding that product to the cart. Okay, they will see whether the product is able to add it to the cart or not. After adding the product to the cart, they will do the checkout. In the checkout, they will be giving their billing address, shipping address, all the information they will be giving, and they will be going for the payment option. Okay, so where they will be selecting the required payment method, and with that payment method they will be placing the order, and they will be getting the order confirmation message, where they can see what are the orders they placed and when that will be get delivered. So all these things they can see after placing the order, and after that, after checking all these things, they'll go for the logout option. Okay, so this is here the test engineers are testing the entire application, starting from the registration, login, searching for the product, add the product to the cart, then checkout, add the payment method, starting from the registration till order placed and sign out. They are testing completely end to end of this application. Okay, so this is about your system testing. So if you know, like when we are using an Amazon application, right? So we are a end user. So how you are doing? Suppose whenever you want to purchase some product, suppose you want to purchase some water bottle. So how you will do? You are going to do registration, login, then search for that bottle, then add that bottle to the cart, and then do the checkout, payment, place the order, and then you are doing sign out, right? So how the end user are testing? The similar way test engineers will perform testing in their company. Okay, within their organization they will be doing. That is about your system testing. So that is all about system testing. That's all for today's video. If you like my video, then please do subscribe it, share with your friends. If you have any further queries, then please comment me. I'll be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you.